easy.
So walk us through, let's do IVF 101
Yeah.
because जैसे I think मुझे तो बिल्कुल आइडिया भी नहीं है IVF क्या exactly what it is and what do you do, what do you go through, like touch wood I didn't had to go through any of that, so I don't know what is IVF, like what's the procedure.
So basically it is couples, sometimes they have quite major big known issues, जैसे कभी ovaries में थोड़े hormonal levels are suboptimal, then you do it. Sometimes there is literally no reason why they are not able to conceive, मतलब pregnancy क्यों नहीं रुक रही है, उसकी कोई रीज़न ही नहीं है, उसकी वजह से IVF कर सकते हैं. समटाइम्स अगर बॉर्न होने वाला बेबी हैज़ बीन एबनॉर्मल, देन ऑल्सो यू कैन डू IVF. यू कैन टेस्ट द एम्ब्रियोज बिफोर यू ट्रांसफर.
This is something interesting. I didn't know. Sorry. How do you know कि born होने वाला baby abnormal and how can it help there? I don't know.
So basically normal human cycle में when a woman gets her periods, that is considered as first day of her periods, she has lot of follicles. Normally एक या दो ही होते हैं that will develop, and then pregnancy, if they have like timely intercourse and everything, she will get pregnant normally. Person having hormonal imbalances or for whatever reason they want to go IVF, so what we do is we basically want to control the ovaries. We want that control in our hand. So मतलब हम ovary के function को जो brain से hormones release होते हैं, we normally stop that for a time being, for that 1 or 2 months that we want. So we can do it on our way. So हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा उनको hormones देते हैं जिसकी वजह से 1-2 की जगह पे 15 to 20 follicles बनेंगे, which is what we want because it is costly, it is lot of painful treatment, so we want as many eggs as we want. तो वो सारे grow करने के लिए we give them normal hormones. Those hormones patient can take it, it's like an insulin needles.
So you have to inject
it is injecting, yeah. It's okay, just once a day for like 10 to 15 days they have to take it. फिर sonography scan होता है जिसमें, and once the follicle reaches the good size, जैसे 16 to 18 mm, फिर उनका egg collection plan होता है. Egg collection normally बेहोश मतलब sedation देके किया जाता है, और फिर वो ovary में से we get all the eggs. फिर वो eggs को उसी दिन we also need the partner sperm, और वो sperm से फिर we inject your inseminate, whatever is that procedure needs to be done, और फिर उसको 5 days lab में grow करने के बाद we transfer it back to the uterus. Now say patient को 10 eggs मिले, out of 10 fertilize सारे 10 किए, 10 fertilize हुए, पर day 5 there is always a drop. 10 fertilize होने के बाद day 5 को शायद ऐसा हो सकता है कि 2 ही embryos अच्छे हैं, तो एक ट्रांसफर करेंगे, तो दूसरा embryo we don't want to discard it, so that can be frozen. So that is frozen under liquid nitrogen. So once उसको वो freeze कर दिया,
embryo is actually the baby, like
it's a
going to be a baby, not baby
potential
yet,
baby.
but potential
Yes,
baby.
it's a potential
you
baby.
can freeze it.
You can
Wow.
freeze it, yeah.
If I want to talk about it like from a very spiritual perspective, अभी उसमें आत्मा नहीं आई है, उसमें अभी लाइफ नहीं आई है.
Look, it divides. So I really don't know how.
क्योंकि अगर फ्रीज कर रहे हैं तो वो उसमें अभी जान तो नहीं है.
हाँ,
बहुत ही
हाँ.
subtle है.
You can't even see without a microscope.
Wow.
It's such a embryonic stage.
Wow.
But like very basic start of like a human life. The benefit of freezing is patient doesn't have to take all these hormones and everything for the next time. बस उनके वही cycle एक बार उनका अंदर uterus है वो ready है, endometrium ready है, तो we can just take that embryo out from the freezer. उसको 2-3 घंटे तक we just warm it, like we bring it back to the normal stage, and then we transfer. So they don't have to take all these medicines again. So that's one benefit. And also about the testing is what I was talking. Any excess embryo that we have. So एक embryo होता है जिसमें 100 to 150 cells होते हैं. So with the needle we take few cells out of the embryo, like 5 to 7 cells, और फिर वो cells पे genetic testing होता है. That is we run through the chain of sequence of the PCR and stuff to see कि वो hormones सारे उसमें हैं, like chromosomes जो भी होने चाहिए. It has 46 chromosomes, सारे like chromosome की pair is aligned with each other. So that is how it gives us a result. So that comes back saying, okay, this embryo is normal and this embryo is not normal. So we can only transfer the normal embryos. So you can select which embryo is normal and which is not normal before you transfer.